1967 Mercury Cougar, a vehicle that epitomizes the fusion of classic American muscle and cutting-edge performance enhancements. This custom build is a testament to the dedication and skill of Schwartz Performance, resulting in a car that offers unparalleled performance, style, and luxury. Under the hood lies a beastly Ford Performance 5-liter Coyote engine paired with a ProCharger supercharger. This setup includes a custom mounting plate, intercooler, and intercooler piping, boosting the engine's performance significantly. The exhaust system features stainless steel long-tube headers and a complete 3-inch exhaust with Spintech mufflers, providing an aggressive and exhilarating sound. The engine compartment is meticulously crafted with attention to detail. It includes a bare 15/16-inch manual master cylinder, a B-Cool radiator for efficient cooling, and electric headlight motors for modern functionality. Power is transmitted through a Tremec T56 Magnum transmission, housed in a QuickTime SFI steel bell housing. This combination ensures smooth and precise gear shifts, enhancing the driving experience. The Cougar rides on custom EVOD one-off billet wheels, measuring 18 by 8 inches in the front and 18 by 12 inches in the rear. The exterior of this Cougar is a visual masterpiece, finished in BMW Caribbean aqua metallic blue with a charcoal gray painted roof. The foundation of this magnificent build is the Schwartz Performance bolt-in G-Machine chassis, providing exceptional rigidity and handling capabilities. The Flaming River rack and pinion steering ensures precise control, while the Redettex single adjustable coilovers deliver a smooth and responsive ride. The braking system features bare 14-inch Pro Plus brakes. The rear is equipped with a Moser full-fledged axle housing and a Curry 3.70 TrueTrack differential for optimal traction. The interior is a blend of luxury and functionality, crafted by Casson Customizing. It includes a custom center console, a double-din head unit, and classic instruments gauges for precise information. The vintage air conditioning system ensures comfort in all conditions, while an Optima battery mounted in the trunk provides reliable power. A Flaming River tilt column adds to the driving convenience.